Hi everyone, on today's mixology video we're mixing up a Valentine's dessert drink. You can use it for your Valentine's dinner dessert. This is mixed with Smirnoff whipped cream vodka, some strawberry schnapps, some half and half, some other sweet stuff to mix in there to make it fun for you and your loved one. So thanks for watching today's mixology video. Don't forget to stop on down to Glencoe Wine and Spirits, pick up your Smirnoff vodka, this whipped cream vodka, and all the other flavors of Smirnoff vodka are on sale right now at $11.99 for the 1 liter bottles. Happy Valentine's Day from all of us here at Glencoe Wine and Spirits.